Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Hotspot not working on Android phone. So let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Make sure mobile data is on. Your Hotspot will not work if your mobile data is off or if there is no internet access. Check the status bar for mobile data icon. Make sure you have sufficient data balance at good signal strength. Solution 2. Turn off battery saver. Sometimes battery saver limit background activity and block hotspot functionality. Open the settings app on your Android phone. Tap power marathon or phone's equivalent battery settings. Tap on battery saving settings. Tap on battery saver. Here make sure the toggle for battery saver is turned off. Solution 3. Toggle airplane mode. A quick airplane mode reset can fix temporary network glitches. Swipe down to open quick settings panel. Tap airplane mode to turn it on. Wait for few seconds, then turn it back off. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If your hotspot still isn't working, resetting your network settings can clear out any misconfigurations. Open the settings app. Scroll down and tap on system. Tap on reset option. Tap reset Wi-Fi settings, then confirm. This will erase safe Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices. Solution 5. Check for software updates. A bug in the current version of your Android settings might be causing the issue. Open the settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on system. Tap on software update. Here if an update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple reset can fix temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Tap on restart. Wait for your phone reboot. Then try to connect to the hotspot. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions should fix your Android hotspot not working issue. If it worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.